JavaScript while loop.
A while loop is a control flow statement that allows code to be executed repeatedly in a loop based on a given Boolean condition. The loop runs as long as the condition evaluates to true. If the condition is false, then the loop breaks.
This is the syntax of while loop in JavaScript. It starts with a while keyword, followed by a condition enclosed in opening and closing parenthesis. The condition should evaluate to a Boolean value of true or false. The body of while loop, which is code block, is enclosed in curly braces after the condition part. The curly braces are optional if there is only one statement inside the while loop. But please remember that using curly braces increases the readability of the program.
Execution flow of while loop. Start of while loop. First, the condition is checked. Let us assume that the condition is true. The code block executes. The condition is checked again. Let us assume that the condition is true again. The code block executes. The condition is checked again. Let us assume that the condition has become false. Now, the program control comes out of the loop and ends the while loop. End of while loop.
How do we use while loop in a program? Consider that we would like to iterate in the while loop 5 times. Usually, we take a variable for counting the iterations. This counter variable is initialized to 1. In the while condition, we check if the counter is less than or equal to number of iterations. Inside the while loop, we write the code that we would like to execute. At the end of the code block, we increment the counter by 1, so that we can access the next number in the next iteration. Write a JavaScript program that prints hello world string 5 times. Counter is 1. In the condition n becomes 5. In the code block, print hello world string to console output. Increment counter by 1 inside the while loop. Run the program. The while code block executes for 5 times and prints hello world string 5 times.
Now, consider another scenario where we would like to iterate over the items of an array using a while loop. Usually, for this kind of use case, we take a variable for index to access the items in array. This index variable is initialized to 0 because the index starts at 0 in an array. In the while condition, we check if the index is less than the length of the array. Inside the while loop, we write the code that we would like to execute using the item at the current index value. At the end of the code block, we increment the index by 1 so that we can access the next item in the next iteration. As a result, this while loop iterates over each item in the array. Write this code in a JavaScript program. Run the program. The while loop prints each of the item in array to console output. Let us write a while loop that finds the sum of first 5 natural numbers. Initialize a variable, count, with 1, and another variable, sum, with 0. Write while loop. The condition is to check if count is less than or equal to 5. Inside while loop, add count value to the sum, and increment count by 1. After the while loop, print the sum to output. Save and run the program. The sum of first 5 numbers is 15.
Concluding this video, we have seen the syntax of while loop, execution flow of while loop, and how to use while loop to do iterative tasks with the help of examples.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel.